In this video, I'll show you 888 stars promo code in 2025. I can subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you're looking for a promo code to use this year 2025, here's exactly what to do. Come over here and click on registration. Take the third option that says by email. Please, this is the only option that your promo code is going to work on. Now once you're here, fill in your surname, your name and your email address. In your country, you're going to choose the country from where you are from and also your region if relevant. Change your phone number and create a password. To create a good password, please follow the instructions below. There are 4 instructions to create a good password and solid password. Once that's done, in the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code Renzo TV, 88 stars is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit 10,000, you're going to receive 30,000 as a bonus. Once that's done, click on these 3 dots, verify that all the information is correct and register. Once you've registered, complete the email verification that comes immediately after this and you are good to go.